Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about common mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. So get seated. Skipping measurements. Guessing body sizes leads to poor fits. Always measure accurately. Not pressing seams. Skipping ironing makes your work look rough. Press as you sew. Ignoring grain lines. Cutting off grain can cause garments to twist or hang awkwardly. Using the wrong needle or thread. Match your tools to your fabric type for clean stitches. Washing without practicing. Test stitches on a scrap before sewing on the actual fabric. Inconsistent sewing allowance or seam allowance. Failing to maintain a consistent seam allowance can lead to uneven seams. Rushing can lead to errors, so it is important to take your time. Not backstitching at the start or end will make your seam unravel. Always secure them. Keeping your machine oil directly on the floor makes it lose its effectiveness. Place it on a table or anywhere that is not on the floor. Which of these mistakes are you guilty of? Let me know in the comment section. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.